Hey guys, today we have one of the common laptops called Toshiba Satellite L655-S5112BN. Basically, this is L655 series. Alright, so we got it by mail, and the client wants us to replace the DC jack right here. And basically, in order to replace it, we have to take the whole thing apart. And I'm gonna show you how to take the whole thing apart, how to replace the jack, and how to put it all back together. Nothing's gonna be hidden. We charge $100 total for everything, for the repair. Includes everything, labor, parts, and return shipping back to you. We are based out of Chicago, so you could stop by. It should take about an hour to fix one of those. So yeah, let's begin. Enough talking. So let me add some light here so you could see better. I'm gonna point the finger where I'm unscrewing a screw. So here, you know what? Let me change the angle a little bit. All right, so let's begin. There is one tiny screw right here. Right here. Like that. All right. Let's do that. All right. Like that. 3 screws right here. Like that. All right. And yeah, if the video is helpful in any way, leave a like. It's not gonna cost you anything to leave a like. Here, what you want to do is you want to mark which one is which. This is the power cable, basically the one that goes to the jack. Don't really pull on it, just like try to slide it from the sides. Like that, like that, like that. Alright, so here. 2 screws right here. Right. The trick to remove the keyboard is as follows. You need something flat. Here. Something flat like that here. Something flat like that, just jam it right here. And the whole keyboard cover comes off. You have to unscrew the screws here. 1, 2, 3, Cool. Alright. Alrighty. I'll flip it over. Here you have to mark which way is up, but I mean it's pretty obvious, but just in case. Like that. Like that. Like that. Okay, like that. Right, so I guess disconnecting this was not necessary. So connect this back to the place it was connected at beforehand. And I guess the wireless cables on the bottom were not needed to be disconnected, so we connect them back like that and like that. Like that, like that, like that, like that. Now let's lift up this jack right here and see what the problem is. Now the problem is a huge piece of plastic got stuck inside of the barrel there. Here. You see the black plastic in there? Well, so the black plastic, basically the plug got broken inside of the jack. There is no way to get it out of there. Well, who is there? Yeah. Anyways, it's just easier for me to just replace the jack than get the plug emptied. So here. Now what you want to do here, you just want to cut this stuff off. Like that. Like that. Now that's exactly the same jack right here, a brand new jack. We got tons of them in stock, maybe a couple thousand of them in stock. They're used on pretty much every single system there is. So we want to disregard this one and we're gonna install the new one. And we want to check and see. Basically, we want to make sure that the cables are running straight out of the back. Like change the focus to here, like that. Alright, one more thing we need to do is we need to change power jack repair. Alright, where was it supposed to go back to? Yeah. Okay. Alright, let's take a look. But you think we received it by now, right? Okay. We have one going back to South Germany with that. Alright. So 261 West Compass. Right. But then give you track number right now. 9405 5096 9993 9879 5481 87. And it's a very USPS. It's 9405 5096 9993 9879 5481 87. Yes. All right, sorry about that. The people are calling all the time. That's a good thing, meaning we can stay in business. All right, so here. So what I'm doing, I'm removing the magnet altogether, and here. I want to remove this heat shrink, and now I want to strip the wires a little bit. Like that. And like that. Alrighty. So we have sufficient amount of wiring. Let's point to the jack. And what you want to do is you want to put the red wires through, like that. And the thing is, they need to be a bit more outwards, but here. All right. Good job. If I'm not gonna say it, nobody else will. Anyways, guys, again, if the video is helpful in any way, leave a like. The website is powerjackrepair.org. Here. Okay. So here, that's how the good soldering job should look like. Like that, and now I'm just gonna delete the excess wiring here. Like that. And like that. Okay. So here. Now, is it upside down or is it? Yeah, the jack goes in upside down. Nope, the jack goes in the proper way. Sorry, like that. Alright, so the jack sits fine here. Make sure the holes align. Alright. And so if the holes are aligning, you want to run the cable back to the make sure the cable is sitting deep inside of this indentation. The reason for that is the CD-ROM gonna be sliding that way, and it's gonna be hitting this cable dead on. So you wanna make sure that all of it is tucked away. So because again the CD-ROM gonna be going in and out here. So looks like a great job. Now the only few things needs to be done is we need to add some insulating tape right here on top and add some glue. You know what, glue not gonna help because this is actually a broken part right here. That's the reason why the jack was loose. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna cement in place right here and right there. So once we have it cemented, it won't be going anywhere. And in order for me to cement it, I need all the space I can get. So yeah, let me show you how it's gonna be done. Alright guys, so this is basically the way how to properly replace the jack. Now we need to do some final touches. We need to insulate the rear positive pin. Alright. Okay, so that's that. Put the cover back on like that. Okay. You wanna put in the 4 screws right here. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Right, so here we got two screws right here. Again, the CD-ROM. Alright. Those are basically three tiny screws there are. Let's plug in the hard drive and put one of the tiny screws in. Alright, so, and here we're left with okay. Wonderful, and that's it. That's how to repair it in 30 minutes. One thing to keep in mind is that the cement takes 24 hours to cure, so I'm not gonna check it for the next hour or so. I'm just making sure that the hole is still aligned properly. Now, this is not it. I mean, for this repair, we still have to replace. You see the tip? You see how bad the tip is? You have to fix that too while it's here. So we disregard the tip. We strip the wires like that. Disregard that. And like that. So now we have to find the compatible tip, which gonna go in there. It's much harder one than you think because the barrel has to be longer because the jack sits much farther in. So I'll have to go see what I got. Alright, so I would really like to put this connector on, but I'm not sure if it will be grabbing onto the jack, because you see how far the jack is in, and this one is gonna be alright. It's gonna be just fine. So here what we do is we see which one is the positive. That's the positive. Okay. Alright, so positive and positive. We twist the wires together. Okay, so here, again, let's measure the voltage. Alright, it's all good. Now the laptop will have to wait till tomorrow to be tested because the cement is not didn't kick in yet. So yeah. Leave a like, and if you don't want to do it yourself, send it to us. We can fix it for $100. Thank you so much. Have a good day.